watch Connecticut and New Jersey teaming up with New York for that quarantine order affecting 19 states. And joining us now is the governor of New Jersey, Phil Murphy. Governor Murphy, thanks for being with us. We just heard Gio there outline Andrew Cuomo's new order. Is New Jersey considering a similar order to put in place for travelers coming in from those hotspots?
Good to be with you. We'll do it our own way, but we're deadly serious about this. This is a travel advisory demanding 14-day self-quarantining, testing from any hotspot state. Right now, there are 19 states in the country that meet that criterion. We knew when we opened our state up, we'd take on more risk of transmission of the virus, but there's an added element from folks who are coming in from out of state, from hotspots, and we'll take that very seriously.
Yeah, and speaking to that, New Jersey numbers looking pretty good, but how concerned are you about those numbers changing or it being affected by these other states that are seeing surges?
Very concerned. I mean, we've lived through hell. We've lost over 13,000 confirmed fatalities to COVID-19 in our state, over 15,000 if you include probable deaths. We don't want to have to go through that again. So we're very concerned. Again, if we could control everything within our four walls, that'd be one thing, but we are the United States of America, and we have to look with great concern on the surges elsewhere.
Within the state of New Jersey, you and I both know you have very beautiful beaches, very popular beaches, and we've seen the images coming out of the Jersey Shore, people not social distancing, not wearing masks. You've expressed concern. How are you addressing this?
You know, we've worked with the shore counties and the shore municipalities, and it's worked really well. We've laid out the broad parameters, and they've executed it, so it depends on the town. We all know the virus is a lot less lethal outside than it is inside, but that doesn't mean we can let our hair down completely. So we work with the local authorities. We do have the Jersey Shore as an American jewel. We have a lot of folks in Jersey, not surprising this summer, not traveling elsewhere. So the demand is higher than probably ever before, and we got to keep on top of it.
Governor Murphy, you know, Los Angeles, San Diego, both deciding not to reopen schools, to just do them virtually in the fall. Where are you in New Jersey on the reopening of schools?
Yeah, we still hope to be back to school, but we've got to do it responsibly. We've got to do it right. Our Department of Education put out parameters about 3 weeks ago. We're then asking our districts to come up with their back to school plan because no two districts are the same. But we're watching that very closely. The biggest concern is the passing of the virus from an asymptomatic, healthy young person to an older educator, administrator, someone with underlying health issues. And that's the thing we've got to watch the most.
Governor Murphy, you mentioned at your briefing yesterday you had demonstrators outside of your home over the weekend chanting, "Burn your mask." What do you say to people who are frustrated with the policies in place in your state?
Listen, I mean, everyone has a right to protest, but we have to make the decisions based on science, the data, on facts, social distancing, wearing face coverings, washing your hands with soap and water, staying home if you don't feel well. That's all we've got. We don't have that therapeutic yet. We don't have that vaccine yet. So I would say to those folks, with all due respect, I don't like wearing a mask either, but it's the smart thing to do right now.
All right, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, thank you for your time. We certainly appreciate it today.
Thanks for having me, Amy.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.